Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you all kinds of different ways you can use a JOBY Magnetic GorillaPod and also giving you some information about it. Starting to use it is actually very simple. You just stretch this out and put your phone in between there. And that's it basically. And then you can move it around here if you want it here or there. On this little thing here, you can move it around like that. So you position this, then you stretch this, put your phone in, or a camera, if you have another type of holder or mount. Then you put this in the place, position the legs, and yeah, you're good to go. This Grip Tight 1 mount over here can handle phones from 56 millimeters all the way up until 91 millimeters. So now, let's take a look at different ways to use this and some cool tricks and hacks. Let's go. So first, obviously, just as a normal tripod, like that. You can wrap it around a chair, or then you can use the magnets to stick it to the chair. You can wrap it around a handle. You can stick it to the fridge with the magnets, and you can do the same with the dishwasher, and over here as well. Or even over there. You can wrap it around over here. You can wrap around here as well, or even over here. You can stick it to the oven with the magnets. You can wrap it around your lamp, or you can stick it there with the magnets. Also, you can wrap it around here. You can wrap it around your goal, or stick it there with the magnets. You can wrap it around over here, and this one is really good. You can stick the two magnets together over here and secure it so that it doesn't fall. You can wrap it around the trampoline, and you can also stick it there. Wrap it around over here, wrapping it around here, and again, those two magnets together holds it nice in place there. Wrap it around the table, stick it with the magnets to the washing machine. Another really cool feature about this that I just found out is that you can just, if you want something, for example, if you want to set it like this somewhere, you can just, if you want a shot like that, you can take that off, and now it's gonna be better like this. You can so you can really adjust this in any possible way, actually. And you can just, if you want some more, just do that. And hey, wow. Okay, I'll be assembling this again. So you can really move these around in any way you want, and also adjust the length of them in any way you want. So it's pretty amazing. And yet so many more different ways to use this, basically unlimited ideas. So this was just to give you guys an idea how amazing this thing is. If you want to know more, come on, buy yourself one and have some fun. Find out how to use this more. I hope you enjoyed the video. If it was helpful, please press the like button and subscribe, as it does help a lot. And also, everything in my merch store is 15% off right now, and the link to that is in the description down below. So be sure to check that out, and yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.